guys, it's Leilani. Today we're going to do a stuffed portobello mushroom recipe. This recipe is really quick and it's really delicious. I'm making 5 portobello mushrooms and I'm going to start with 1 zucchini and I'm going to chop it up into tiny little squares. Next, we're going to chop up 1 green bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper. You want to chop it up into tiny little squares because we're going to stuff our mushrooms with all these delicious, yummy vegetables. Now we're going to do half a white onion. You can choose any onion if you like purple or if you like brown, whatever your preference is. Now in a large pan or skillet, you're going to want to warm up a little bit of olive oil, and then you're going to toss in all of those nice little veggies that you just chopped up, and you're going to want to saute them until they get nice and soft. I like them to get a little brown and just roasted and everything just meshes together. Here you can get creative with any kind of seasoning. I like to do garlic salt, pepper, and the Mrs. Dash table blend seasoning. While we wait for our veggies to cook, we are going to start by gutting our portobello caps. And I like to cut off the stem, and then with a spoon I softly and gently, because these are very fragile. If you go too hard, you're gonna end up breaking them. I like to just scoop up all of the insides. Once you've gutted out all of your caps, they're gonna look like so, and you're gonna create just a nice little hollow hole, and then you're going to stuff them with your delicious vegetables that you just sauteed. Once you've stuffed all of your caps, you're going to place them on a cooking sheet, and I like to line mine with foil and then put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom with a little bit of the Mrs. Dash seasoning blend, and you're going to heat up your oven to 375 degrees, and you will put them in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they are done cooking in the oven, you're going to take them out. You're going to let them cool off. These caps are super delicious and your family will devour them. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you guys on my next video.